our lecture today will be about the importance of sterilization. Objectives. In the end of the lecture, the student will be able to 1. Define of sterilization and disinfection. 2. List of main methods of sterilization. 3. Explain the mechanism of sterilization. Sterilization is a very important subject to be studied in order to have a full knowledge about getting rid of or killing the pathological microorganism, and because of the great risks of contamination in the theater and recovery room on the life of the patient, doctor, and their assistants. Sterilization. Sterilization is freeing of an object from pathological and non-pathological microorganisms, including bacteria and their spores, viruses, yeast, molds, or it is the absence of all living organisms, while disinfection is freeing of an object from pathological microorganisms only, including bacteria, viruses, yeast, and molds. There are two terms must be know something about them. First, germicidal. It is one of the factors has a quick ability to kill microorganisms. Irreversible effect. Germistat. It is one of the factors has a quick ability to stop growth of microorganisms. Reversible effect. Method of sterilization. There are three main methods of sterilization. 1. Physical methods. 2. Chemical methods. 3. Mechanical methods. The diagram you observe shows you the different physical, chemical, and mechanical sterilization methods that can be used to sterilize various materials. The methods of sterilization we use depend on the nature of each material that we want to sterilize it. Mechanism of sterilization. The lethal mechanism of the above methods of sterilization are damaging DNA, coagulating the protein of the microorganism, cell membrane lyses, and oxidation.
التقني Sterilization هي عملية الهدف منها القضاء على الأحياء المجهرية. Sterilization meaning the process by which we can kill all microorganisms in the material. In other words, that means the material we use there are free from any kind of organisms.
Dear students, at the end of my lecture, answer the following question with my wishes for success. Question 1. Define sterilization. Question 2. Explain the mechanism of sterilization. Question 3. Enumerate the main methods of sterilization.
التعقيم Sterilization هي عملية الهدف منها القضاء على الأحياء المجهرية. Sterilization meaning the process by which we can kill all microorganisms in the material. In other words, that means the material we use there are free from any kind of organisms.
Answers. And good luck.
التعقيم Sterilization العملية الهدف منها القضاء على الأحياء المجهرية. Sterilization meaning the process by which we can kill all microorganisms in the material. In other words, that means the material we use them are free from any kind of organisms.
References.
التعقيم Sterilization العملية الهدف منها القضاء على الأحياء المجهرية. Sterilization meaning the process by which we can kill all microorganisms in the material. In other words, that means the material we use them are free from any kind of organisms.